Ever feel like your money is just sitting there in a traditional bank account, doing absolutely nothing for you? You work hard for your money, you save diligently, but then it just sits in a checking account earning a fraction of a percent, or worse, nothing at all. Meanwhile, inflation is constantly chipping away at its value. It's a frustrating reality for so many of us, isn't it? We want our money to work harder, to grow, to at least keep pace with the rising cost of living, but we're often stuck with limited options from the big banks. What if there was a way to have the best of both worlds? The convenience of everyday banking, with the earning potential of a high-interest savings account, all wrapped up in a user-friendly platform that actually feels modern and intuitive? Well, what I'm about to show you might just be the answer you've been looking for. Today, we're diving deep into the Wealthsimple Cash account. Now, before we get too far, let's address the elephant in the room. You might be thinking, Wealthsimple? Isn't that for investing? And yes, you'd be right. Wealthsimple is well known for its investing platforms, from robo-advisors to self-directed trading. But they've been steadily expanding their offerings, and their cash account, which has actually been rebranded to the Wealthsimple checking account but many of us still know it as cash, is a prime example of their evolution into a more holistic financial platform. It's designed to be your primary banking account, a place where your everyday money can not only live but also thrive. So, if you're tired of minuscule interest rates, hidden fees, and clunky banking apps, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of what the Wealthsimple Cash account is, how it works, its incredible benefits, and whether it's the right fit for you. We're going to walk through every single feature, step by step, right here on screen, so you can see exactly how to navigate it and make your money work harder. Let's break down exactly what we'll be covering. First, we'll cover the core features and benefits that set Wealthsimple Cash apart. Then, we'll move into a practical on-screen walkthrough of the app itself, showing you exactly how to set up, fund, and manage your account. After that, we'll discuss the security measures in place to protect your funds, which is always a top concern. We'll also touch on some advanced tips and tricks to maximize your account's potential. And finally, we'll summarize who this account is best for and answer some frequently asked questions you might have. Alright, let's get into the good stuff, the core features and benefits of the Wealthsimple Cash account. This isn't just another checking account, it's designed to fundamentally change how you interact with your everyday money. The absolute first thing everyone talks about, and for good reason, is the high interest rate. As of mid-2025, Wealthsimple is offering some of the highest interest rates on checking account balances in Canada. We're talking significantly higher than what you'll find at most traditional banks. Currently, the rates are tiered, starting at 1.75% for all clients, potentially going up to 2.75% for their generation clients with higher asset levels. Plus, here's a huge bonus. If you set up direct deposit of at least $2,000 per month, you can get an additional 0.5% interest rate boost. This means your everyday spending money isn't just sitting idle, it's actively earning you a return, compounded daily and paid out monthly. Imagine the difference that makes over a year compared to 0.05% or even 0%. It's real money back in your pocket. Next up, zero fees. This is a massive differentiator. No monthly account fees, no everyday transaction fees, no Interac e-transfer fees, and crucially, no foreign transaction fees. Think about that for a second. How many times have you been hit with a $5, $10, or even $15 monthly fee from your bank just for the privilege of holding your own money? And those pesky 2.5% foreign transaction fees when you travel or shop online in a different currency? Gone. Wealthsimple Cash essentially eliminates these common charges, saving you a substantial amount of money over time. This makes it a fantastic option for travelers or anyone who makes international online purchases. Then there's the Wealthsimple Prepaid MasterCard. This isn't a credit card, so it doesn't impact your credit score, but it functions just like a debit card. You can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted, both physically and online. And here's the kicker, it offers 1% cash back on all purchases. Yes, 1% cash back on everything you spend, paid out as stock or cash. So not only is your money earning interest, but your spending is also earning you rewards. It's a double win. What's more, Wealthsimple will reimburse ATM fees up to $5 per transaction at almost any ATM in Canada. This means true fee-free access to your cash. Let's talk about CDIC coverage. Your deposits with Wealthsimple Cash are eligible for up to $1 million in Canada Deposit Insurance Corporation (CDIC) coverage. This is 10 times the standard $100,000 offered by most banks for eligible deposits. How do they do this? Wealthsimple isn't a traditional bank itself. They work with multiple federally regulated financial institutions that are CDIC members, strategically spreading your deposits across them to maximize coverage. This offers an incredible layer of security and peace of mind. The account also offers features for seamless money management, bill pay, mobile check deposits, and Interac e-transfers. You can schedule recurring or one-time bill payments, easily deposit checks using your phone's camera, and send or receive e-transfers without any fees. They've also introduced cash handles, a unique identifier for your account that makes sending and receiving money with other Wealthsimple users incredibly easy, similar to popular peer-to-peer payment apps. One often overlooked but highly beneficial feature is the ability to get paid up to a full day earlier if you set up direct deposit with your employer. Imagine getting access to your paycheck sooner, giving you a head start on your financial goals. Finally, the integration with the broader Wealthsimple ecosystem is a huge advantage. If you already use Wealthsimple for investing, your cash account seamlessly integrates with your other accounts. You can easily transfer funds between your checking, investing, and even crypto accounts within the same app. This creates a unified financial hub, simplifying your money management and giving you a comprehensive view of your entire financial picture. This interconnectedness is a significant step towards truly integrated banking and investing. Now, let's shift gears and actually see this in action. I'm going to take you through a step-by-step walkthrough of the Wealthsimple app, focusing specifically on the cash account. On-screen demonstration begins. First things first, assuming you've already downloaded the Wealthsimple app and created an account, you'll open it up and be greeted by your dashboard. You'll see your various Wealthsimple accounts listed here, your managed investing, self-directed investing, crypto, and of course, your checking account, formerly known as cash. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.